They shimmer, they seduce. Synthetic diamonds crafted in labs promise an ethical sparkle, a guilt-free alternative to the troubled legacy of mined diamonds. But is this dazzling promise truly sustainable? The reality is complex. Manufacturing diamonds requires significant energy. It leaves a carbon footprint. Understanding the true environmental costs is crucial. The allure of eco-friendly is strong. Consumers are increasingly drawn to ethical products. But eco-conscious choices require careful examination. We must look beyond marketing. We must scrutinize the processes behind these lab-grown gems. Traditional diamond mining scars the earth. It disrupts ecosystems. Extraction leaves behind polluted landscapes. The human cost is undeniable, often marked by exploitation and conflict. In contrast, synthetic diamonds emerge from controlled environments. Laboratories, not mines, are their birthplace. This eliminates many of the ethical concerns associated with traditional mining. Two main methods create synthetic diamonds. High-pressure/high-temperature synthesis, or HPHT, replicates the conditions deep within the earth. Chemical vapor deposition, or CVD, grows diamonds atom by atom in a vacuum chamber. Both methods demand substantial energy. They rely on advanced technology and complex processes. Transparency is crucial. Consumers deserve to know the environmental cost of their choices. Data on energy sources and emissions must be readily available. Without this information, ethical consumption becomes impossible. Companies are taking steps to reduce their impact. Diamond Foundry, a leading producer of synthetic diamonds, utilizes solar energy in its California facility. This significantly reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Such efforts demonstrate a commitment to sustainability. They offer a glimpse of a cleaner future for diamond production. Progress is being made. However, challenges remain. The industry must continue to innovate. Finding ways to lower energy consumption is essential. Investing in renewable energy sources is critical. Sustainability requires a collective effort. Synthetic diamonds have the potential to be truly sustainable. Technological advancements can lead to more efficient processes. Greater reliance on renewable energy is within reach. Transparency and accountability are crucial. Consumers must demand information and make informed choices. Ethical consumption is a powerful tool. It can drive change within industries. By supporting sustainable practices, we can influence the future of diamond production. A future where sparkle doesn't come at the cost of the planet.